Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Memerune token. Name of the token is Meme Economics. Ticker symbol is Memerune, all one word. And this is a new Rune token. It's getting a very big central exchange listing. I saw it's listed on kind of like a tier 4 central exchange. I've actually never heard of this central exchange. But starting April 21st, which is today, this token just got listed on a very huge central exchange. And yesterday I uploaded a video on the Satoshi Nakamoto Rune token. So if you haven't seen that, check that one out. That was the first Rune video I did. And this video will be going over the Memerune token. And we're going to do that all in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, name of the token is Meme-Economics, and the ticker symbol is Memerune, all one word. Now, it was just announced today on Gate's Twitter, @Gate_IO. It says, new listing, Meme-Economics, will be listed. Trading starts April 21st, which is today, 4:15 a.m. UTC time, which is already passed, on Gate. So if you're looking to get this token here, one way to get it would be to download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and search Memerune, all one word, Memerune, and then simply just to buy the token. Now, that got listed today on Gate. Now, I also saw on this exchange here, which it seems like a super small exchange, they only have 635 followers, so I'd be kind of weary about this exchange here, called Ourbit. Ourbit. Today's the first time about hearing about this exchange here. Their webpage is ourbit.com. And they just literally joined Twitter here in February 2024. That's how brand new this is. But basically in their pinned tweet, it says they not only have Memerune and the Satoshi Nakamoto token listed on there, but they have futures for them. There's futures listing, so you can get involved with that. But I definitely recommend taking that with a grain of salt, because I've never heard of that exchange before. So definitely do your due diligence before using any exchange, especially a new one that's hardly used by anyone, called Ourbit. But anyway, so those are two places you can get it. But then you could also mint it. So we'll get to that in a second here. I talked about that a little bit yesterday in the Satoshi Nakamoto Rune token video. So check that one out. But the official launchpad for these runes is at Luminex.io on Twitter. You go there. I put it in the Satoshi Nakamoto video. Maybe I'll put it up right here. I might put the Gate listing actually right here. But you'll see it on the Gate listing too. They have a link to the Luminex Twitter. Gold verified check mark, over 3,200 tweets. Very well established project. It says safety, scale, success, Luminex, the launchpad for the biggest and best. And then you can join them on Discord. They have 52,100 Twitter followers. And in their pinned tweet, it says, introducing runes on Luminex, mint, etch, transfer, explore, mint runes with Luminex. And then it has a link right in their pinned tweet that's going to take you to where you can mint runes. So where you can mint the this new Satoshi Nakamoto token, where you can mint the new Memerune token, you know, basically all of them that are out. You can mint on this Launchpad app here. And so that will take you there. And it says Luminex Rune's Mint bot is available now, free to all our Discord members. You can get notified and be the first to find and mint new runes. So that's a good way to stay up to date with the new ones that are coming out. You know, a lot of the people that were, you know, aping in on the ordinals and the atomicals and that type of stuff. You know, this is the new wave. A lot of them are saying ordinals are out and now, you know, runes are in and that type of thing. But there is a big disclaimer here on the gate page. It says runes are a new concept that rely on the robustness of the Bitcoin network. It has low participation threshold for asset distribution and a good user base. However, runes are still at a very early stage, and there is uncertainty about the actual utility and whether the subsequent upgrade of Bitcoin Core will also support runes, so users must understand clearly and pay attention to the risks. In particular, long-term holders need to be cautious, so just be aware of that. Now, it has this announcement here, so basically, it has a link to trade on Gates. This is all on the same link there. I don't think, you know, the Memerune token has even official social or an official web page or anything like that. But it does have the actual mint page. So if you go over to luminex.io/rune/meme-economics, that's where you're going to find this token, the information on it. Or you could just click on in the pinned tweet there on Luminex's Twitter, the Rune's mint page. Just click on that, and then you would search the ticker symbol Memerune on there, and then you could easily find this token as well. But let's just go over the info on this token here before we wrap this up here. So it says circulating supply, 21 million. Max supply, 21 million. They have, for the Memerune token, has 3,517 holders already, so they're off to a decent start here. They've had 16,800 total mints, which is $16,800,000. So yes, very popular. A lot of money going into these runes here. Total transfers, 11,395. That's like $61.3 million worth of transfers. No burns. It says $1,000 per mint. They have pre-mine, $4.2 million. No decimal places. Deploy time. So this rune here, the Memerune token, got deployed April 19th at 8:09 p.m. So basically 2 days ago. And then it has the rune ID on there as well. It shows all the top holders of how much they own. There's like a pie chart here with addresses and stuff like that. And then it has all the transactions underneath that. So you could mint it off the Luminex page. You could get it off of Gates, or you might be able to find it on some, you know, other central exchanges in the future here. But those are the two big spots. Gates may not be available again in your country, so you may have to mint it off the page if you're looking to get it. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.